mathematics is not for the bright student. It is for those who practice it daily. So let's practice now. Hello, welcome to Humble Virtuals. I'm your honest teacher Mike, and today we are looking at the topic quadratic expressions and equations 2. This is the first topic in Form 3 syllabus for 844 system. Welcome, pay attention and learn. What we are going to learn from this, we have the following 5 items. Number 1, factorization of quadratic expressions. Number 2, perfect squares. Number 3, completing squares. And then we shall move to solution of quadratic equations. Here we have several methods of solving quadratic equations. The first one is by factorization method. The second one by completing square method. Then we have the third one by the quadratic method. And then we shall also look at solution of quadratic equation by graphical methods. After that, we look at solution of simultaneous equations graphically. So we can solve simultaneous quadratic equations by use of graphs. So that is all we are going to look at in this particular topic. Before we move to this content, we should have covered quadratic expressions 1, because this one is quadratic expressions 2, meaning there is quadratic expressions 1. So that is what we should do. Now, let us look at the first item, factorization of quadratic expressions. In quadratic equations 1, you talked about this. So once more, we are going to review factorization of quadratic expressions. Factorize the following. Part A, you have x squared plus 6x plus 9. To factorize quadratic expression, you need to know the product, you need to know the sum, and then the factors. Normally, quadratic expression is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So product is normally a times c. So therefore, in this case, our a is 1, so we are not writing, and then c is 9. So product is going to be 1 times 9, which is 9. Sum is the number, the constant containing x to the power 1, x without any power. So that is going to be 6. And then we look for numbers which, when you multiply, it gives you 9, and when you add, it gives you 6. So 2 numbers. So these numbers are going to be, these factors are going to be 3 and 3. So I want to believe that you know what to do with these factors. Normally these factors substitute the sum part. So therefore we shall now have that, we shall now replace this here. We shall have x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus we have x outside into x plus 3. Then this bracket will be maintained also in this other side, x plus 3. And then we look for a common term between 3x plus 9. And the common term in this case is positive 3. It's common. So that when you open this bracket, you have 3x plus 9. So now put what is outside the bracket together. So we shall have x plus 3. That is this one, and positive 3. And then multiplied by 2, 1 of the bracket. They are now similar to one of them, x plus 3. So what is x bracket of x plus 3 into bracket x plus 3? You can see that this bracket and this bracket are similar. That is same as multiplying the number by itself. And therefore this one is same as x plus 3 squared. And that becomes the correct working. Example B, x squared minus 5x plus 6 factorize. In this case, product is positive 6, sum is negative 5. So factors in this case are going to be negative 2 and negative 3. So that negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Then these two numbers will be used to replace the number in the middle. So we shall now have x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. If we shall have the common number in this bracket is x, so it will be x into x minus 2. So the other bracket will also have x minus 2. What is common between negative 3x and 6? The common number there is negative 3. So that if you open this bracket, it will be negative 3x, negative by negative 2 is positive 6. So therefore, put the numbers outside the bracket together, we shall have x minus 3, and then multiply by one of the bracket. Now that this bracket and this bracket are the same, pick one of the bracket, x minus 2, and this becomes the right factorization. Part C, x squared minus 8x plus 16. In this case, product is 16, sum is negative 8, factors are negative 4 and negative 4. So these factors here are going to replace the middle part of our quadratic expression. So we shall now have x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. Pair them up. So we shall have the common number here is x. So x into x minus 4. The other bracket will also have x minus 4. Then look for the common term between negative 4x and 16. The common number there is negative 4. So that when we open this bracket, negative 4 by x is negative 4x. Negative 4 by negative 4 is positive 16. Then pick the numbers outside the bracket and put in one bracket. We shall have x minus 4. Pick one of the two brackets which are similar and multiply this bracket with x minus 4. Now we can see that this is x minus 4, x minus 4. That is same as multiplying the number by itself. So we shall now have that the correct factorization will be x minus 4 squared y, because this is x minus 4 times x minus 4, and that is the same bracket being multiplied twice. So therefore you pick it and you raise it to power 2. But then we have x squared plus x minus 12 factorized. So in this case, product is negative 12, sum is positive 1, and factors, therefore in this case factors will be positive 4 and negative 3. So that 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1. Then these numbers will replace the middle part. So we shall now have x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Pair them up. In the first bracket, the common number is x, so x into x plus 4. The other number on the other side will also have x plus 4 inside the bracket. Then what is common between negative 3 and negative 12? Negative 3 is common, so that negative 3 by x is negative 3x, negative 3 by positive 4 is negative 12. Then pick the numbers outside the bracket and put in one bracket, so we shall have x minus 3. Then pick one of the similar brackets here, x plus 4. And in this case, we leave it at that point because there are different numbers in the bracket. So this becomes the final answer. Part A, 2x squared plus x minus 6 factorized. So in this case, product is 2 by negative 6, it is negative 12. Sum is positive 1. So therefore, factors will be in the first bracket is 2x, so it will be 2x into x plus 2. So the other side will also have x plus 2. So what is common between negative 3 and negative 6? Negative 3 is common. So therefore, we shall now put the numbers outside the bracket in one bracket. So we shall have 2x minus 3, and then multiply by one of the brackets here, x plus 2. And this becomes the final answer. But f, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, we say that product is a times c. So therefore, we shall have that product is 2 by 1, it is 2. Sum is 3. So factors are going to be 2 and 1. So these are the factors, so we replace, we shall have 2x squared plus 3x plus x plus 1. We pair them up. The common number in this first bracket is 2x. So we shall have into x plus 1. So this other side we also have x plus 1. The common number in this other bracket is positive 1. So that in the upper bracket, 1 times x is x, 1 times 1 is 1. So therefore, put the numbers after the bracket in the particular bracket. So we shall have 2x plus 1. And then pick one of the two similar brackets here, x plus 1. Part G, we have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. So product, we say that equations are normally in form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And the product is a times c. In this case, our a is 9, our c is 1. So therefore product is 1 times 9, which is 9. Sum is normally the part containing bx. So our bx in this case is negative 6. So our sum is negative 6. So what are the factors? Two numbers, if you multiply you get positive 3. If you add you get negative 6, that will be negative 3 and negative 3. And then we use these numbers to replace the middle part of the productive expression. So we shall now have 9x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 1. Then we pair them up. In the first bracket, 3x is common, so 3x into 3x minus 1. So maintain this, 3x minus 1. So what is common between negative 3 and 1? The common number there is negative 1. So that in the open bracket, negative by 3x is negative 3x, negative by negative 1 is positive 1. Then pick the numbers outside the bracket and put in one bracket. So this one will give us 3x minus 1, and then 3x minus 1. You can see that this bracket and this bracket are the same. So therefore the final answer will be 3x minus 1 squared. So we have a small exercise here. I want you to work them out. The first one, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. The second one, we have 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. Part C, x squared plus 12x plus 9. And then the last one, part B, 4x squared minus 6x plus 9.